One of the main benefits of self-inking stamps is their convenience. Self-inking stamps have a built-in ink pad that is re-inked automatically every time the stamp is used. This makes them a good choice for people who need to stamp documents quickly and efficiently. Self-inking stamp care is easy. They use a water-based dye ink, so once your ink pad dries out, you can refill your stamp by adding a water-based ink to resaturate your ink pad. Self-inking stamps are perfect for logos, address labels, office documents, medical records, craft projects, and in educational settings for grading homework.